Hey guys, welcome back to another new video. So you might have seen this device on my channel. This one is Nokia Lumia 930, a former flagship device from Nokia. As a flagship device, you're getting a lot of things here. Obviously, it is running on Windows 8.1 and you can still update this device to Windows 10. So I have made a full review of the device, I think few months ago. But here I will be talking about something else. As you can see here, this device is still pretty much usable. It does support 4G network and it got 32 GB of internal storage. You can use this device as a music player. Even the camera is also pretty good. You can record up to 4K, and as you know, Lumia cameras are actually pretty decent. For that time they were flagship, but for now still they are pretty capable. And this one actually got 4 microphones. It can record surround sound, so that's pretty good if you record videos too with this device. On this device, I have installed Windows on ARM, so a version of Windows 10 which runs on this kind of devices. I will not show you how you can install Windows on ARM on this device because I did it very long time ago and I don't really have resources right now. But the tutorial is still available online. You can search Windows on ARM for Lumia 930. You will get whole tutorial. It's a little difficult to get Windows 10 ARM on these devices. Basically, it's really difficult to find the files for devices. But if you get it, you can actually try Windows on ARM on this kind of devices. So as you know, Snapdragon now releasing their Snapdragon X Elite processor. All those processors are actually running on Windows on ARM and they are running ARM software. It's pretty much similar to that, but we are talking about pretty old version of Windows 10 here. So when I start the device, as I have already installed the Windows 10 on ARM on this device, so it will show us a bootloader. As you can see, Windows 10 ARM and Windows Phone. Usually it boots into direct OS, but if you have to select Windows on ARM with the buttons and you can confirm with the camera button, then it will boot into Windows on ARM. It is not really much usable at this state, but on Lumia 950 and 950 XL, that is pretty much usable. Even you can install Windows 11 on that device, but here only we are getting Windows 10. Basically, we can check what we can do with the Windows on ARM on this device, and if company wants, actually they can tweak the firmware to work on this kind of devices. They are pretty much capable of running light version of Windows 10 and running basic application like Facebook Messenger, WhatsApp or Telegram. So in that case, this device will be pretty much usable as for now. But here actually we are not getting much with Windows 10 era. This is not really that much usable here, but still I will show you what we can do with Windows 10 on ARM on this device. So it is booting. It takes time actually, as you know, not really optimized well. So boot it up. So as you can see here, the Windows 10 ARM is already booted up and it is connected to my Wi-Fi network. So Wi-Fi is working, even the sound is also working. As you can see here, sound is working. You can charge the device. One thing which I could not able to do is like side loading the application, although it is running on Windows 10 ARM, but I could not able to side load any kind of application here. Basically we are not getting many application here, all the basic application here. So if I try now, as you can see here, alarm clock, calculator, messaging, phones, tips and all those things, there is no camera support as the drivers are not working, but basic things are still working, like touch is working fine, the Wi-Fi, the Bluetooth, so those things are working pretty well. And it is running on a version of Windows 10. So as you can see here, Lumia 930 Windows 10 Enterprise Insider Preview 1607, and it's pretty old actually. So the processor, as you can see, Snapdragon 800. The RAM is 2 GB and we are getting 32-bit operating system here. So it is pretty old, it's still pretty much usable. You can do few basic things here. The browser is actually better than the version you get with usual Windows 10. So the browser actually, as you can see here, it can load most of the page. I did try to install application on this device but could not able to do that actually. I don't really know what kind of application is going to run here. I did try ARM application but didn't work actually. And It's a little difficult actually to do things on this kind of devices. They're pretty old and it gets pretty hot too. You can feel that now it's maybe 40 degrees Celsius. And as you can see, you can do few basic things here. It can still load Facebook and few other things. Nothing much you can do, but as a concept, the device still works pretty well. So as you can see here, as the browser is already outdated, so it cannot load the page properly. Maybe there are better version of Windows 10 ARM for this device available. I don't really know. You got the point here actually. There is nothing much you can do. This is kind of experiment actually done on this kind of devices by developers, not really from officially from Microsoft, this kind of things. And there are nothing much actually working, like 5 gigahertz band on Wi-Fi not working. So the driver issue is there and camera is not working. And also, although you are getting full flash kind of Windows 10 on ARM here, but there is no store or anything like that. Even we are getting full flash control panel here actually. So if we check here the Windows system, and as you can see here control panel, and it's pretty fast actually, not really terrible. I did use many Windows devices. This one is far better actually. It works pretty well, but as the version of Windows we are using here is not really optimized for this device, so it's a little difficult actually. It's warm up really fast and it is really difficult to hold right now. So these are the things actually. And as you can see here in the control panel, all the things are available pretty much. The brightness also does not work properly. Sometimes it does work, sometimes doesn't. So as you can see, brightest, darkest one is working, darker, but maybe the auto brightness sensor is working. So it is well lit right now. We can check power option as you can see here. So all these things are available and the touch is working pretty well. Although, so as you can see here, sound, we can hear the sound is working, and the rotation sensor is not working. That means, so as you can see here, it doesn't rotate. Actually Microsoft could push a update for this kind of devices just to run a ARM version of Windows on this kind of devices. At least this device could be useful a little bit, like running Telegram or using this device as a dumb phone for phone calls, messaging, and few other things. So that will be pretty good. But here actually we can't do much. This is done by developers who actually ported the ARM version of Windows from other device. So that's why you can't really do much. But still, as a concept, it works pretty well. It works much better on Lumia 950 and 950 XL. So that's all about Windows on ARM on this device. Obviously, you can't do much, but as a concept, it is working. So that's all about it. Thank you very much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.